deficit school teachers under the banner of the KHASI JAINTIA Deficit School Association and the Garo Hills Deficit School Teachers and Employees Association had met officials of the Education Department at the YOJNA BHAVAN main secretariat in Shillong on Monday, 15th November, to request for release of all pending dues to teachers before Christmas 2021. Speaking to reporters, the president of the KHASI JAINTIA Deficit School Association, Babu Kular Khongjirem, informed about various demands placed before the Education Department that include the release of remaining 50% of arrears, the implementation of the recommendations of the 5th Pay Commission concerning pension and retirement benefits, death-cum-retirement gratuity for deficit school teachers, the allotment of basic amenities like medical reimbursement, MACPS, maternity leave and others, the enhancement of the DCRG from Rs 3.5 lakhs to 10 lakhs as received by all other government employees of the state, the adoption of draft service rules for deficit schools besides others.
The Chief Secretary and the officers of the Education Department to kindly keep the pension benefit to the deficit school teachers, because most of them, they have the valuable service, dedicated service for the last 30, 35, even 40 years. But they retire with empty-handed. That's why the Chief Secretary and the officers also pay attention, and they will consider for the pension for the deficit school teachers. The government has been assured for us, and from now on, they will try to find out ways and means, and they will be sitting also how to implement as early as possible. Very difficult, maybe 1 month, 2 years. That's what we request, as early as possible. Kindly make materialize this demand of the association.